was at my local craft store and I found this awesome Triceratops fossil head, and the first thing I thought when I saw it was, how cool would it look if succulents were coming out of its mouth? So I bought it and I wanted to make an arrangement, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So these are some of the plants that I will be using. I love this Haworthia fairy washboard. I picked it up at a nursery. It looks pretty prehistoric. I think it's going to look awesome with the dino head. I love the Mexican fence post cacti. It's a mini. We have the Black Prince Echeveria, one of my favorites, the Lola Echeveria. It's pink and green. It's so pretty. I also have these rocks that I want to use. I love this terracotta pot. It looks very rustic. This pot is beautiful. I'm going to add this rock here to prevent the soil, at least some of the soil, from falling out. So I'm going to add the cactus soil in to my terracotta bowl. And you always want to make sure to compact the soil, because if you don't, in a couple of months, you'll notice a huge recession in your soil and all the plants will have sunk a couple inches, and we don't want that to happen. I'm going to start with the dino head. Now I want to place it here. I think it looks great there. And then I'm going to add some soil in the dino's mouth. And I'm going to start by adding my Echeverias. So now I'm going to add my Mexican fence post, and the way I like to handle cacti is by first loosening it from the soil, and then I like to get another pot and I kind of tip the cacti into the soil, as much soil as I can, carefully, because I've had experiences where they've fallen and pretty painful. And a lot of these thorns are really tiny and they get stuck in your skin and they're hard to get out. Add this on top again, and that way so I really don't like how this looks back here. It's kind of falling, so I'm going to move it to this side. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy, but it's so cool. I love the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and you can also follow me on Instagram at @sundreamsucculents. I can't wait for our next project.